Welcome everybody for another great product review from Butcher Barbecue. Today we are going to be covering our grilling oil. That's right. It is a lot of good stuff, and probably the number one thing we get asked more than anything else is, what is a grilling oil? How do you use a grilling oil? So let's just cover that right now while we've got it on the forefront. What a grilling oil is: a liquid product. It is thick. There's different flavors in it. We'll cover the bottles and everything here in just a moment. But the grilling oil is a soybean-based oil, so it has a high burn point. And how you use the grilling oil itself is a lot like if you're just going to be using butter on anything else, because the base of these is a butter flavored soybean oil. Then we add other flavors to it so that it will enhance the flavors of what you're wanting according to what you pick. So what you do is, let's just say that you put a steak out on the grill, a pork chop, a piece of chicken, vegetables, just anything you want. And the first time you flip it, drizzle just a little bit across the top of that, and that will replace the oils that have naturally cooked out of the meat. That will help soak back in, and it will keep it very moist, and it will help tenderize it just ever so slightly. So every single time you flip, drizzle just a little bit more on it. That is the general basis of how to use it. Now the flavorings, we've got a butter flavor, we've got a honey flavor, we've got a steakhouse flavor, we've got a chipotle flavor, and we got a garlic flavor. Now each one of the flavors are a milder in flavor than what you would probably expect if you was to buy a package of honey or anything like that. Let's take like the chipotle. If you're using it on pork chops or asparagus and you drizzle it across the top, and so let's say that it is spicy, which it's not. If it is spicy, you wouldn't want to use it very often, or maybe your spouse or the kids would not be able to eat it. So that all these flavors are a butter base with a mild back flavor, so that you can use it multiple times without it overpowering the meat itself. Now, let's get into the packaging. Then I'll get into some of the easy uses and take care of it. Let's start with it. It is a plastic bottle, easy to use. You can drop it. You don't have to worry about it. This product does not need refrigeration before or after opening. No refrigeration is needed. So you can just leave it right out on your grill, and it'll be there every single time you need it. The packaging comes with our label on it. We're going to start with this one side. It has no MSG, has 0 trans fats in it, which is very important if you are really into the oils. There, like I said, no refrigeration needed. The only thing that is needed is just give it a little shake just before you use it, okay? There is soy in it as an allergen, because we do use soybean oil. Down at the bottom is our UPC code. The front has our logo, the brand, and the flavor of what it is. This is a 12-ounce liquid product in here. This side has our Pitmaster logo on the top, and a real quick rundown on exactly what I'm telling you right now, okay? Now, it does come with the simple safety seal on top. The lid has the a drizzle type pour on it that you can use to help squeeze this plastic bottle. We're going to close that up. We're going to open it up, and you will see that it has a safety seal on the inside. There's the safety seal. Oh, we'll do what we normally do. In this particular one, it's the garlic one. That's what I thought. I'd say I can kind of get a garlic smell, but really, that's all it is. That's all I'm getting out of it. I'm gonna put this on the lid back on it. We're going to pour this out so you can see it's kind of got a thick base to it. Um, you can kind of see how you can drizzle it like that. That's what you would use when drizzling it on your steaks, chops, stuff like that. Now I'm going to take and taste it and tell you what I get. I get the butter flavor. Oh, the garlic comes very quick. Um, Very tasty. Oh my gosh. But it's not a bitter garlic. That was something that we made sure of on the front side, is that it doesn't get bitter or an off flavor. The butter and the garlic blends very well together. That is phenomenal on steaks. I love it on grilled asparagus. We do know that the flavorings, there is a whole lot that can be done with any one of them. The possibilities are limitless. They can be used with beef, pork, chicken, vegetables. If you want to use it in a stir fry, a saute, it can be used if you're into doing barbecue and you want to wrap and you want to add, say, a particular flavor, a honey, a chipotle, or a butter flavor in your wrap. You can use this in your wrapping itself. I use the honey and the butter flavor in my chicken pan when I'm cooking chicken a lot in a butter bath world. So we use that a lot with that. Definitely can be used in standard everyday cooking. Just put it by your kitchen stove and it can be used. This product can be found on our website and at most all of our retail locations. So please go into your favorite barbecue store, ask them where the Butcher Barbecue grilling oil is, and they'll direct you right to the shelf where it's located. Thanks.